Welcome back, guys!
Today we want to share with you a new delicious recipe.
We present to you broccoli with a coconut sauce and a tasty and creamy carrot puree.
It sounds simple, but it has a nice and complex combination of flavors.
Stay with us until the end and you will see.
We
hope you're gonna enjoy! Mwah!
To start, we're going to infuse some coconut cream with 1 clove of garlic and a small piece of ginger. These two ingredients will add aroma and a bit of peps to our cream. Peel the garlic and cut it into half. Cut a small piece of ginger and remove the skin. In a pot, add 150 ml of coconut cream, the ginger and the garlic. Take it to the stove in a medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Right after it starts boiling, take it off the heat. Add some salt and let it infuse for 10 minutes. In the meantime, peel and chop 4 medium-sized carrots. We have chosen sandy carrots for its exceptionally sweet and gentle mineral flavor. In a pot, add the carrots, 500 ml of water and a pinch of salt and boil them until soft. In the meantime, take another pot, add a good amount of water and a pinch of salt and bring it to the boil. Now, clean and trim the end of this sweet and tender broccoli. Once ready, boil them for 3 to 4 minutes or until al dente. Remove them and cool them down in icy water. Once cool, strain them and keep them aside. Now that our carrots are ready, strain the liquid, add the carrots into the mixer with a little bit of the cooking liquid, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, plenty of black ground pepper, and a good tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix everything until very smooth. For texture and a nutty flavor, crush some roasted almonds. Nearly ready! In a large hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and pan-fry the broccoli for a few minutes. And don't forget to season it properly. Playtime! In a beautiful round white plate, add a few spoons of our carrot puree, some pieces of broccoli, a generous amount of our infused coconut cream, some roasted almonds, a bit of lemon zest, ground black pepper, and a few leaves of coriander. Et voila! Broccoli, coconut sauce, and a creamy and delicious carrot puree!